While the idea of a juice cleanse for your colon might sound appealing, it's important to understand that your body has a natural detoxification system. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive tract. These organs work together to eliminate waste products effectively. Focusing on a balanced diet rich in fiber and staying hydrated are the best ways to support your body's natural cleansing process. However, incorporating healthy juices into your diet can provide essential nutrients and promote gut health. Here are the 10 delicious juices that can benefit your digestive system but not necessarily act as a cleanse. Number 1. Green power: spinach, cucumber, celery, and lemon. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and chlorophyll, which can aid digestion. Number 2. Berry blast: mixed berries, banana, and yogurt. This antioxidant-rich juice provides gut-friendly probiotics from yogurt and fiber from berries. Number 3. Tropical sunshine: pineapple, mango, ginger. This juice is full of enzymes like bromelain from pineapple to aid digestion and ginger for gut-soothing properties. Number 4. Citrus splash: lemon, grapefruit, and apple. This vitamin C powerhouse can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Number 5. Veggie vibe: beets, carrots, and apple. This juice offers a good dose of fiber from beets and beta-carotene from carrots, both beneficial for digestion. Number 6. Pear power: pear, ginger, and leafy greens. Pears are a natural source of fiber, while ginger can soothe occasional digestive discomfort. Number 7. Watermelon wonder: watermelon, mint, and lime. This refreshing juice is hydrating and provides some fiber, aiding digestion. Number 8. Prune perfection: prunes, apple, and spinach. Prunes are a natural laxative and this juice can help with occasional constipation. Number 9. Ginger: apple, pineapple, and ginger. This juice is a great source of digestive enzymes and can help alleviate nausea. Number 10. Beetroot bliss: beetroot, apple, and orange. This juice is rich in antioxidants and fiber, supporting overall gut health. Remember, these juices are meant to complement a healthy diet, not replace it. Consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.